Hi, you guys. My name is Gabby Gonzalez-Nagy, and I will be exploring the Met and its website. So basically, it's a very big website considering how big of a and popular the museum is. So it has so many resources, but specifically, the one I will be focusing on today is the one that educators would most likely be interested in. Um, so this is under the Learn page, and this varies from kids and families, teens, adults, university students and faculty, educators, visitors with disabilities. So it has so many options for people who want to come to the Met and explore and even use their website to learn about different art resources and all of that stuff. So basically, I really explored the K through 12 educator programs because I thought this would be um, a good future kind of resource for me since I think integrating the arts into education is so important. So basically, it says like a little description. The museum offers a variety of programs designed for K through 12 educators that explore objects in the Met collection, interdisciplinary curriculum integration, and methods for teaching with objects. So that's just perfect for educators. All right, so you're going to press this and you will go down and there are a list of different options and things that they offer for educators. So basically, what I found really interesting was the workshop and the lesson plan opportunities and information they give to educators. But basically, you can request a day for your class. The minimum of students that would come is 15, and it can be from all like ages K through 12. And you can basically um, pick a day where you send certain like things that you're looking for, like it says supporting your specific needs for certain students. And after they receive all the information, the faculty will reach out to you, confirm all of your like needs that you need and like your information about your group and the educator, and you can book a workshop day with them, which basically you could have like a mini workshop, a half day workshop, and a full day workshop. So you would find that application right over here. It just takes like your kind of information, like standard, like your name, um, location, all that jazz. So that I found really interesting. There's summer opportunities. There's the Met professional learning community. So there's just so many options for educators out there on this website. If you go back, another thing that I found really interesting was that which I found like I would use even for my personal use as like a college student, and just I know this would have been so beneficial to me when I was in high school. So I looked at the art page and there's a timeline of art history. So you click on that. It says the Met's Hilbram timeline of art history pairs essays and works of art with chronologies telling the story of art and global culture through the museum collection. So basically, this is just such a great resource if you're looking up different pieces of art at different times, and um, information that like the essays provide are like really beneficial if you're going into that. And as you can see, it provides all the essays right below from alphabetical order. And there is so many different options. The scroll is just so long, and you can just really use so many different resources if you're ever going into like art history or like even interested in that. And if you're more of like a visual like learner and you just want to see pictures, you can click on works of art and it will have the list of all the different pieces. And if you scroll over them, it'll have some more information, just really brief information about each piece. A thing about I also like about the essays is that if you scroll and click on one, it'll show you like the pieces of art there, and you can read the essay. And yeah, they vary in length, and it's just so cool. And then another thing, if you click on this part, um, you can click on like the different geographical regions that each piece comes from. And just like the ones before, it will show you like the time that it's from. Um, and then if you click on it, it'll show the art piece again. So I just thought this was so beneficial and so helpful for people going into art or even just curious about art. Like I know that I've had to write so many papers about this kind of thing, and it would just have been so great if I would have known that this was available. But yeah, so basically that kind of sums up the great um resource that the Met website is. And yeah, thank you for listening.